Hello, it's Charlie here, and today I have a little surprise for you. This is something I bought off of eBay. It's pretty heavy, and it's pretty loud, just a little hint. So here it is, let me show you. This is a real Safetran mechanical railroad crossing bell. So I got this a couple days ago, and it's pretty neat. You can tap it with anything metal. I'm using this on the side of the gong, and it produces a pretty loud sound. So it's a pretty neat bell, and it's a little rusty, and this gong actually rotates, so I rotate the rust away, and it's going to need maybe a little work. I'm still debating whether to repaint it or just leave it as is, but I'll show you the inside. So this nut here can go really tight, but I just have it loosely on here so I can easily open this up. So this is what the inside looks like. So if you've ever wanted to see the inside of one of these guys, here it is. So this is pretty neat. So here is the magnet coil, and here is the contact, and here's the hammer. And that's the terminal block. And so you can wire this up using very simple 12-volt direct current using a car battery, and I've done it before. It's not wired up right now, but you can also manually ring it, and it produces a very loud tone. So, yeah. So, this came from Illinois, and it says it's model 4L, I think. Not sure what that's supposed to mean, but anyway, let's close this back up. So, where's the nut? Okay, so thank you for watching this video. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Charlie out.